every pony?
Come back soon, please. Huh?
I hate goodbyes, don't you? I just go to pieces.
Discord. What a nice surprise. This is your first time at our new school, isn't it?
Oh, was I not invited to the grand opening? Friends and Family Day, baccalaureate? I hadn't noticed.
Well, at least you're here now. Why are you here now?
To fill in for Twilight, of course, as head Draconiclus. I seem to recall a whole song about how this school is where you make your own rules. Now, who better at that than me?
Then you also must have heard Starlight is in charge now.
Really? I thought there must be some mistake.
Nope. Twilight picked me for the job, and she left pretty detailed instructions for me to follow.
Well, I'm sure that she wouldn't mind if I made a few tiny suggestions. Item 1, gravity is optional.
Whoa!
Item 2, the school's new mascot is an ambidextrous marmoset. Item 3.
Not gonna happen. I promised Twilight I'd handle this her way. So thanks, but no thanks.
Really? Well, we'll see if you change your mind.
Uh-oh. When we play Ogres and Oubliettes and he puts that many E's and really, things don't usually end well.
Don't worry, Spike. Discord and I are old Save Equestria buddies. He'll be fine. Now, what's next on Twilight's list?